June 2022, Kendrick and I flew to Colorado to spend 4 days with extended family. Some of the families brought rangers so we could all go riding together. Our first day there was June 5, which was a Sunday and a chill day of riding and taking lots of pictures.
He's a two-wheel now.
It is just awesome up here. Wow.
On Monday, we went on a train ride through the Royal Gorge. The Royal Gorge is a canyon of the Arkansas River located west of Canyon City, Colorado. There is an abandoned old water pipeline system running alongside the river. After the train ride, we went up to the suspension bridge above the Royal Gorge, and that was very cool. Honestly, one of my favorite things we did in Colorado, but a little scary because it kind of sways back and forth a tiny bit.
Establish territories, build their nests, raise their offspring, and take out.
Kendrick and I rode the big swing out over the Royal Gorge, which was so cool and so terrifying. It was a very neat experience, but I won't be doing it again since I literally felt like I was on the verge of a panic attack. My stomach is churning just thinking about it. Some of them went ziplining across the Royal Gorge, and I think they really enjoyed it.
He's just chilling.
On June 7, which was a Tuesday, we went to Pikes Peak, which was a stunning view, but I will not plan to return again as a lot of us felt very lightheaded at such a high elevation. It was pretty neat to try the famous Pikes Peak donuts up there.
I got really close to a mark. You gotta stay home for about a month.
Weston, are you?
after Pikes Peak, we went to the Manitou Cliff Dwellings. I think I'm saying that right, Manitou. This is a replica of ancestral Indian cliff dwellings. June 8th, the guys went out on the Rangers to go hunting, and everyone else went on a Jeep tour. The Jeep tour was also one of my favorite things that we did. It was a little sketchy in some places, pretty rocky, but we were in good hands because our driver was very experienced.
So it started off,
Eventually, some people would just see what they got. We go to the town hall, and I do.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
She's like, it's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine.
like all the roads, though, right? You just drive like a regular thing.
Oh, yeah. Here we go, Nelly. Hold on.
On Wednesday evening, Kendrick and I headed back to the airport so we could attend a family reunion on my side in Virginia, and everyone else stayed in Colorado a few more days and did some more exploring. If you enjoy travel content, feel free to subscribe since there will be more videos like this coming. Lord willing, we are celebrating our 2nd anniversary in Sarasota, Florida in a couple months, and we plan to film it probably vlog style, so stay tuned. And comment below if you prefer voiceover travel videos like this one, or more of a vlog style travel video where we talk about it when we're there. Yeah, I'm super curious what you think. Anyway, see ya!